Today on the show we're going to unbox a ton of pallets. Check that out. Use these to heat your freaking house. Gotta get all this friggin' plastic off of it. Alright, later, man. You take it easy.
Fuck her online. Dave said you're gonna put it on.
Yeah, I'll put it online. Alright, later, man. We're unboxing a ton of pallets right now. So we're unboxing a ton of stove chow right now.
What?
Unboxing the pallets. They don't understand, folks. They don't understand about YouTube, ladies and gentlemen. Show you how to freaking do this today. Holy shit, they got it plasticed up, don't they? So no moisture gets in there, folks. Unboxing a ton of pallets. Dude probably thinks I'm nuts. Friggin' daughter's pretty cute though. Holy shit, man. Alright, let's see what they provided us with today. Lots of times they got ripped bags and everything else in here. Never know what you're gonna get. Alright. Looks like they set it right on top of the friggin' bag. That's good for productions. And holy shit, I almost fell there, ladies and gentlemen. This is what a ton of pellets looks like. We have stove chow, wood fuel, pellets, low ash, fights global warming. We love that kind. We'll flip it over. Get a shot of the back for you. You read all that. Pretty good pellets. In case you speak a different language. Yep, stove chow wood pellets. We just unboxed a pallet. Right there, I gotta haul it in the house. Got 2 more, ladies and gentlemen. Went through 8 or something this winter. So there's 3 left. Yep, you do the math. Some different kind of pellet brand right there. By breath, folks. They got shit printed on the back of their bag. Here's another one. These are from Tractor Supply. Tractor Supply, Home Depot, if I'm not mistaken. Store and dry, please. Yep, more pallets. And there it is, ladies and gentlemen. 50 freaking bags of pallets that are 40 pounds a piece hauled in. This is what I'm left with out here. Would be some plastic ski and a pallet. I don't know where I get through the freaking scissors at, ladies and gentlemen. Pallet's frozen right to the freaking ground. Yep, that's gonna have to stay there for a minute. Gotta find my scissors. That job's done. 2 more to go. And that's what friggin' pellets look like. compressed sawdust. Whoop, I zoomed in too far. Shit, heat's pretty good.